We produce complex three-dimension precision titanium parts for medical devices through the titanium injection molding process. The prices of our products are lower because our products are directly produced from titanium powder. MTIG is located in Korea. You can contact us by email. The headquarters is located in Seoul, Korea, and the factory is located near Seoul. We use titanium powder to mass produce our products through injection molding, like the plastic manufacturing process. 12 pieces are molded in one shot, which enables mass production of products. It takes about 1 minute per shot. We do not limit our products to a specific design, and can produce products of various shapes on demand. Titanium feedstock is a material to be injected into a mold in a plasticized state by mixing titanium powder and polymer. The manufacturing process is completed by removing the binder from the molded body and sintering it. Utilizing our technology can reduce manufacturing costs by more than 50% compared to CNC machining. Our major customers are Megagen, Dio, Dentium, etc. We supply packaging and plant fixture parts for them. These products are manufactured only through TIM technology without a separate machining process. The machining process can be minimized because it is molded almost close to the final shape. Also, there is no need for hole processing because it is molded into a hollow shape. Our product has high hardness because it is made of titanium alloy. The tensile strength of our product is 700 to 800 megapascals, and the Rockwell hardness is 45 to 48 HRC. The hardness of our product is equal to or higher than that of sus4 to 0J, which is commonly used in drills. Our products can be coated in various colors by anodizing. One-body implants can be molded without additional processing. It is possible to mass produce cover screws and healing abutments. Feel free to reach out if you have any additional questions or need more information. Thank you for watching.